Hello! はい、どうもこんにちは。I'm RumiCar from RumiCar. In 2025, the Toyota Engineering Society once again held the RumiCar workshop at Aichi Robo Fes. Thankfully, this marks the third year of these workshops. They were held 3 times a day on both 13th and 14th December. In the Toyota Engineering Society's workshops, participants program RumiCar using BlocklyDuino. BlocklyDuino is a block-based programming editor for Arduino. With BlocklyDuino, Arduino code is automatically generated based on the blocks you create. Here, you can see participants testing a program that makes the RumiCar stop just before it crashes into a wall. The children programmed this themselves and improved it through trial and error. At the end of the workshop, participants drove their RumiCars around the track. I have been in the UK since April 2025, so I wasn't able to go and film the event this year. Instead, members of the Toyota Engineering Society shared videos of the event with us. Thank you very much for your cooperation. See you in the next video!